In this video, I will demonstrate how to cut linoleum. First, I start by measuring. Never assume a lino block is squared. With this one, you can see that the left side is at an angle. To check, you can use a cutting mat like I am, a square, or even a sheet of printer paper. Here you can see that even though the bottom of the lino block is flush along the line, that top left section is angled to the right. In this video, I'm making a postcard print, so I want my plate to be 4 by 6 inches. Because that left side is a little wonky, I'm cutting out a 4 by 6.5 inch piece so that I can trim it down. Again, for this part, if you don't have a square like I'm using, you can use a ruler combined with a piece of printer paper. Don't forget to measure a second time just to be sure before you start cutting. I try to remember to line up my ruler in such a way that I am protecting the block I plan to use. That way, if I overshoot, it's more likely to cut the scrap on the side. Applying a lot of pressure with the razor blade increases the chance you'll make mistakes. Instead, score the linoleum over and over until you can gently bend it apart. Linoleum is made of cork and wood flour mixed with linseed oil. As it ages, it dries out and becomes harder and less flexible. Fresh lino should be fairly pliable and bend easily. Now that I've cut through the linoleum, I'm just using the razor blade to score through that mesh netting on the back. Here I'm just cutting off any loose strands of that fibrous netting on the back. This material is called hessian and gives the back of the block grip and texture. It's especially useful if you need to glue your block to another substrate, which is necessary for certain techniques.